girlies, and welcome back to Girl Beats World. Today I am showing you a simple soft glam eyeshadow routine that you can do for a day out, a cute little date night where you don't want to do too much, but you still want to add a little glam, a little glitz. If you like the foundation that I'm wearing and want to know how to do it, or want to know about how I feel about the latest Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation, you can click the link in the description box and it'll take you to another video where I give you the real deal holy feel about how I feel about it. So without further ado, let's get in this bead. So to start us off, we're going to be using Decay's eyeshadow primer. So it's been some time and some of you have probably been wondering where you've been at. Did you leave? Did you decide to come back? And the truth is, I have been out here living my best life. I got to do this amazing opportunity with my 9-to-5 job, because as much as I love you guys, this ain't paying the bills yet. So where I could work anywhere in the world for up to 30 days as long as I covered the expenses. And I said, that ain't no problem. That ain't no problem. Let's do this. So I went on a little European tour to a bunch of different places, and I absolutely loved it. I went to London, Paris, Prague, Berlin, and Munich to close out Oktoberfest. And I'm trying to decide if I want to give you guys the Oktoberfest look, because it was so cute. Once you get stopped so you guys can see how cute it was. And it was like a really nice look. So I think I'm going to do that for you, but you gotta ask nicely in the comments below. Okay, so I am using my Morphe, I think this is the 352 palette. You guys have seen me use this palette before. Y'all know my style. I don't like to get too caught up on the palettes and the names, because honestly you may not have them. So I just want to I like to just describe the different colors I'm using and the form that I'm using. So I'm going in with the blending brush, and I'm using just a regular brown in here. And we're going to do this. So preparing for that trip was a lot of work, actually. I was lucky enough to be able to stay with some friends in Berlin, and I got to make some amazing friends there. And my friend and old coworker Tashina came with me to London and Paris. My friend in Berlin that I stayed with met us in Paris, and it was just a good time. Like, I got to wake up on my 31st birthday in my favorite city, and I just absolutely loved it. And like, every time I told anyone that I was 31, they just absolutely could not believe it. We're gonna get a little closer because I'm struggling to see, which means y'all probably are too. So I just use some brown on the corners here. Then we're gonna go in with a deeper, darker brown, which is this one right here. The black broke off. I was devastated. I don't even want to talk about it. So my camera shut off because it was overheating. This is the difference between shooting on an iPhone and shooting on a professional camera. So we were completing blending in, and I'm trying to do it in like a V, so it can, I just like that shape. So you can imitate it that way. Just a nice V look right here. And that Fenty do look good, I can't even lie. I thought it looked a little red. So ladies, you all know me. Even the easiest looks have a little bit of a cut crease on it. But here's why. I cut my crease because A lot of the times I see similar looks like this done on like Instagram and things like that from people with fair skin, and they add the lighter shade and it's super easy and it blends so well. But because I'm a little more chocolate, I don't feel like it will blend. Sorry, you look up to create that little false line. I've told you guys that before. Blend as well. So I felt the need to cut the crease on this particular look, but it's not a major cut crease. It's just something really light. And I don't even cut it all the way. It's a half cut crease because I'm only going halfway here. Then we're gonna do the other side. And I'm using my LA Pro Girl concealer because it's super affordable and it does the job really, really well. This is probably one of my favorite drugstore products, and I took forever to use it because I don't know why. I guess I was being a makeup snob and feeling like all my makeup had to come from like super expensive places. But boy, luckily because of you guys, I tried to find affordable concealers, and this is definitely an affordable concealer that gives you great coverage and it's perfect for things like a cut crease. Okay, so we cut the crease. We've got this beautiful natural brown smokiness going. I'm loving it so far. I'm now going to go in with my James Charles palette and I'm going to use the color Punch Me and tap on a little canvas onto that bad boy too. And we're just going to pat it into our eyes. I'm using my little makeup mirror here. And as you see, it just gives it that really pretty matte look. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, sometimes I don't want any shimmer. I don't want any glow. I just want like a very simple matted eyeshadow look. And I don't know, I feel like it feels regal. I feel like it feels and looks super well put together. Add it onto here as well. You guys leave me a comment and let me know if you feel like this camera was worth the investment, because you know I have buyer's remorse. You know I do, but so far I've loved the results that I've gotten from it. So that is complete. We still have a bit of other things to do, so I'm trying to get through it. We're gonna go back with our blending brush and just blend everything back in. I'm gonna protect the crease at all costs. Y'all know how I do, because you want that harsh line from the light to blend nicely with that darker color. Thankfully tonight, one of my friends is in town, so we're gonna go out and get us some wine, and she got a little date after. I was like, okay, boo, get you some. Don't worry about dinner with me if he gonna pay for it, you know? So you just go in. I'm gonna highlight with canvas and a little bit of ring light. It's looking a little light for me. And then I blended in a little Punch Me too. I'm gonna go pretty low with the canvas. Yes, honey. Yes, I love it. I wore this look yesterday to Spa House. Let me tell you, Spa House was lit, honey. Dro from Insecure, Keith Powers, and Daniel were there, honey. Daniel from Insecure. Daniel was, that black's so beautiful in person. I don't even know what to do with myself, you know? We have just completed the eyeshadow piece. It's looking good, looking very brown, smoky. casual. I'm now using Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. Y'all, this thing is crack, honey. Like, the best thing that's ever happened to me. And we're gonna just keep it cute with the winged liner. Pull it up. And I'm not gonna go that dramatic because I am gonna do lashes, and I always end up having to reapply the liner. So I think it's super thick, and I tell you guys I'm not gonna go that dramatic. So we've completed that. We're just gonna follow it all the way through, giving it a nice little wing here. Wow, Ruth. Yeah, so I love this liner because it is super easy to use. It's really dark, which I have problems with other liners. Like, other ones are really dark, but they're I mean, they're not dark enough for my skin, so it just kind of looks like a gray by the end of the day. But this looks and stays nice and dark the entire time. So I am going to finish the other eye, and then I will be right back with my lashes. Okay, so we have our lashes on, our eyeliner complete. So now we're going to just add a little smolder to the under eye. I decided not to line my under eye because I didn't want this look to be too dark. Like I said, I wanted it to be a daytime look that can transition into an evening look. So that's what I did. Let's get into this next step. You guys have seen me do this countless times. I like to line it with the Urban Decay again, so that way the color pops. And this time, we're not even looking for a full color pop. Ooh, girl. This lash is trying to make a run for it. And we don't let them run around here. You caged in, honey. You glued in. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this round head brush. And with that same, that brown that I started with the outer corner, because again, I don't want this crazy dark, but I didn't want it to look like I forgot a step either. So we're just going to use a little bit of that brown underneath. And I don't want to go too low either. And maybe at the end where it transitions, we can use a little bit of those deeper brown colors blended together. Oh yeah, I like that. Y'all like that? And then here. Perfect. And then a little mess, all the noise. Okay, a little mascara to wrap this bad boy up. So a little bit of mascara. And we are complete. Okay, and to wrap up this look, we are going to use Colourpop Tulle and Trap. Yeah, Trap. I wanted to make sure it wasn't Tramp. You know, they be getting creative with these little names. So, Tulle first. Well, some people believe you always have to line your lips. But I like blending my makeup, so I don't always line them. My lipsticks, so I don't always line them because I kind of make the lipstick a liner in itself, you know, switch it up. But I do want to do a video all around liners. So I did Tulle all over my lips. Make sure it doesn't look crazy. And then Trap in the middle to give it that nice, sultry vibe. And you see how doing it just in this little curves here, how it makes you look more pouty. Okay, ladies, so that is officially it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe and to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post new content. That's it. This is a simple day to evening look that you can wear at any time. And again, if you want to know details on this foundation routine and how I felt about the new Fenty Pro Filter hydrating foundation, please be sure to check out the link below. Until next time, bye girlies.